Hello engineer, welcome back to this channel, smartkembo Discover Science. As today I'm going to show you how you can measure a AC voltage with a voltage sensor. So this sensor has not appeared on a Proteus Profession. This software I used to design this system is a Proteus Profession. So on this voltage sensor does not found, so I use another component in order to show you the circuit, how it look like. So it look like this. On your projects you need to have this Arduino Uno, and this is a liquid crystal display with this IC. So I need data to transfer in serial form, so I use this IC. And this is a liquid crystal display 16:2, and also this is a voltage sensor, and this is a power supply or IC source. So in order for your system to be done, so you need to have the Arduino program. So this program, as you said, these programs, it help you and it will give you exactly measurement from this sensor. So if you need to try it at your home, so you can download this program. This program will be found into our Telegram channel. The link is on the description, so just see the description and download this program to do it in your home, or you can create another project using this program. So for today our aim is to measure on AC voltage. So this it will look like this. Thanks for this tutorial and welcome for another tutorial. This is smartkembo Discover Science.